They spend money them.
Benal Technologies is right here at the newest branch of Jendol Supermarket, right here at Onibukun, Atan Road. This is the 13th branch of Jendol Supermarket, and we are installing our automatic sensor sliding door at the entrance of their supermarket. Right now we have installed 3 units of automatic sliding door. We have 2 units here and we have 1 unit at the exit space. So we are going to be testing the door. The door sees you, it opens by itself, and when you're out of the perimeter, it closes back. So join us as we test and see how it works. Thanks very
much. My brother, December, don't call me, December to remember, and I seen a smarty, champagne and nothing. Me and my amigos, we go drink plenty Casamigos. Girl, I want to dance with you tonight. I place no one above you.
So this is the exit door. So we are going to be very close to the exit door. Opens and we have
December, now who get money, I go call Chamo. December, the baby too fine, I go spoil her. My brother, December.
So for your automatic doors, your automatic gates, your elevators, access control, CCTV, contact them.
Champagne and nothing. Me and my amigos, we go drink plenty Casamigos.